This just in, a new AI-driven scam is targeting your Gmail account. Google has issued an urgent warning about a new AI-driven scam targeting Gmail's 2.5 billion users. This sophisticated attack uses realistic scam calls and cleverly disguised phishing attempts to steal your account credentials. Microsoft consultant Sam Mitrovich almost fell for it. He received account recovery notifications and a call from what seemed like a legitimate Google support number. But inconsistencies in the caller's voice and a disguised email address tipped him off. Hackers are now using AI to impersonate legitimate services and manipulate you. Google urges you to stay vigilant. Don't rush into actions prompted by such calls. Always verify phone numbers, check recent Gmail activity, and be wary of any urgent requests. Google is working with the global signal exchange to combat these scams by sharing intelligence and disrupting fraudulent activities. Stay safe and keep your information secure. Subscribe for updates and share this to help others stay informed.